The alarm is going off right behind me. The barriers are coming down. The new Polsteam Koprowo, one of the newest lake-type bulk carriers in the Polsteam Fleet, is about to make its way out of lock number 8 towards Lake Erie. I've already got the drone up as it entered lock number 8, so I can show that video footage right now while we wait for it to start making its way out of lock 8. So here's the footage of the vessel as I managed to just about capture it getting into lock number 8.
The MV Polsteam Koprowo is one of the newest lake-type bulk carriers in the Polsteam Fleet. She was built back in 2024 at the Shanghanguan shipyard in China. The Koprowo stretches 200 meters, which is about 656 feet long, with a beam of 23.7 meters, which is roughly 78 feet wide. And she can carry 37,600 tons of cargo, and she sails under the Liberian flag. Designed specifically for the Great Lakes St. Lawrence Seaway, the Koprowo is part of the 12-ship series built for Polsteam, Poland's largest shipping company. These vessels are optimized for lake navigation, moving steel, grain, and other bulk goods between North America, Europe, and Asia. The ship's first voyage began back in April of 2024, where she loaded steel in China and Korea before crossing through the Panama Canal to reach Canadian ports like Hamilton and Thunder Bay. She's efficient, modern, and purpose-built for inland seas. The Polsteam Koprowo represents the next generation of lakers, bridging global trade through the heart of North America. Have you ever wondered where Polsteam gets its names from for its ships? Well, I can tell you, they have a long tradition of naming their ships after places in Poland, especially lakes, and this one is no different. The Koprowo is named after a lake which is situated on Welland Island in Poland, Lake Koprowo.
bascule bridge going up. Well, the newer bridges along the Welland Canal, unlike it's the bridge on the other side, which is over 100 years old, nearly 100 years old, I should say. There's no traffic right now. You can actually just about hear the engine. And now here comes the car, so you can't hear it again. Three giant cranes on this vessel. It's nice to see the fresh paint still on the cranes. So used to seeing cranes on a lot of these ships where they're already rusted due to the being out on the oceans, wear and tear. This is kind of neat to see, freshly painted still. I should say freshly painted, but just fresh paint, still maintained. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to rush ahead quickly down to Clarence Street Bridge and try and catch it down there as well, and try and get a better look of the stern of this ship as it comes out. So we'll just shoot on down there as quick as I can. All right, the sun is still on the east side of Port Colborne because it's late morning, so it's hard to get a good shot from here. So everything's fenced off. I tried to go to the bridge, so on this side you can't really get much closer. So it's going to be arm through the fence here where the little gap is and hope for the best. So that's where we're going to do this right now. The arm is going through the fence.
Okay, that is it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed it. That is the Polsteam Koprowo. I can't say it now. Koprowo. There we go. We got it. Anyway, that is the Polsteam. Until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon. Take care. Bye.